Welcome to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. This channel helps you speak English step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Can you remember what you learned this week? Let's review basic English together. We are in a recording studio. Anna and John are reviewing simple English conversations. Hello, John. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
This review helps you remember basic English questions and answers. Practice makes you more confident. Now let's practice together. Please listen and repeat slowly. My name is Anna. I'm from America. I'm 29 years old. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself using 3 sentences. Thank you for learning with Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. Keep practicing every day and see you in the next lesson.